everyone, Gurpreet here, and today I'm introducing you to the IFB 24-liter solo microwave oven. This microwave oven is perfect for families with 5 to 6 members. It can be used for reheating, melting and cooking. It has a 24-liter capacity and a touch keypad that is sensitive to touch and easy to clean. It also has a range of features such as multi-stage cooking, food defrosting, delay start, quick reheat, 30-second express cook and more. Plus, it has a child safety lock to ensure complete safety, especially for homes with young children. It's a perfect choice for anyone who needs an easy-to-use microwave oven. Go check it out now.
If you're looking for a new microwave, there are few things you should consider before making a purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right microwave for your needs. There are 4 main types of microwaves: countertop, over the range, built-in and combination. Countertop models are the most common and can be placed on any flat surface. Over-the-range models are installed above a stove or cooktop and have built-in ventilation. Built-in models are installed into cabinetry, and combination models offer both microwave and convection cooking capabilities. In addition, some microwaves have grill and oven combinations, meaning they offer the functionality of both a microwave and a grill, allowing you to cook a wider range of dishes. With a grill microwave oven, you can cook foods like grilled sandwiches, pizzas, and even roast chicken. Microwaves come in a range of sizes, from compact models to larger family-sized options. The capacity of a microwave is measured in liters and refers to the amount of space inside the oven. Here are some general guidelines for choosing the right microwave capacity based on family size. 15 to 20 liters is ideal for individuals or couples who mainly use their microwave for reheating or cooking small dishes. 20 to 25 liters is suitable for small families of 2 to 3 members. 25 to 30 liters is best for medium-sized families of 3 to 4 members. 30 to 35 liters is recommended for large families of 4 to 6 members who use their microwave for cooking large quantities of food or for hosting parties. Microwaves are typically rated by their wattage, with higher wattage models cooking food faster and more evenly. Look for a microwave with at least 700 watts of power, although 1000 watts or more is ideal for most cooking needs. Lastly, look for features that will make cooking easier and more convenient. Some microwaves have preset cooking functions for specific foods, defrosting settings, and even sensor cooking options that adjust the cooking time based on the food's moisture level. Choose the option that suits your needs and budget the best.